Ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to another video. This channel's purpose is for information technology, and my aim is to guide and give knowledge to my people. Subscribe channel and feel free to ask me questions regarding my video in the comment section. So let's get started with the video topic. What is NFT, non-fungible token, how NFT works, and NFT earning? NFT, a non-fungible token. NFT is a unique digital identifier that cannot be copied, substituted, or subdivided, that is recorded in a blockchain, and that is used to certify authenticity and ownership. Some examples of non-fungible tokens? NFTs can represent any asset digitally. It can be online-only assets such as digital artwork or real assets like real estate. Some examples are in-game avatars, digital/non-digital collectibles, tickets, domain names, and more. How NFT works. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, are unique cryptographic tokens that exist on a blockchain and cannot be replicated. NFTs can represent real-world items like artwork and real estate. Tokenizing these real-world tangible assets makes buying, selling, and trading them more efficient while reducing the probability of fraud. Essentially, NFTs are like physical collector's items, only digital. So instead of getting an actual oil painting to hang on the wall, the buyer gets a digital file instead. They also get exclusive ownership rights. That's right, NFTs can have only one owner at a time. Quantum NFT, May 2014. Minted during the early stages of blockchain technology, Quantum is most commonly cited as the first NFT ever created. The first known NFT, Quantum, was created by Kevin McCoy and Anil Dash in May 2014. It consists of a video clip. Registered the video on the Namacoin blockchain and sold it to Dash for $4. 10 types of NFTs you need to know about. 1. PFPs and avatars. 2. 1 of 1, 1 artwork. 3. Generative art. 4. Collectibles. 5. Photography NFTs. 6. Music NFT. 7. Gamified NFTs. 8. NFT event tickets. 9. Membership passes. 10. Domain names. NFT earning? The most popular way to generate money from NFTs is by selling them on NFT dedicated marketplaces. Today, there are a variety of marketplaces and platforms where you can create, list, sell, and exchange NFTs, including OpenSea, Mintable. You understand what NFT, non-fungible token, is actually? Ladies and gentlemen, I hope you liked my video. Like, comment, and share, and subscribe for my next coming video. Thank you so much.